Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about ways to make money as a teen slash young adult. Now, I'll just kind of tell a little backstory a little bit real quick. So growing up, I felt like I grew up faster than a lot of the kids my age. Like, I would go out, do like grocery shopping or that sort of thing, and I've always enjoyed, you know, helping out my family. And so another thing I wanted to do was like get a job. Now, you know, as a 16-year-old, or younger than that, there are a lot of things that you can't do until you're 18. But that's why I kind of decided to compile a bunch of things for teens, but also young adults, because now I'm 18, I still do these things. But I have a list over here for things that you can do as a 16-year-old, so just below 18 or even over 18. But yeah, I'm gonna get into it. So first thing you can do is, okay, well, it's not really summer anymore, but I wrote this a long time ago, so I wrote summer cleaning. Basically just like sell your things. Now, obviously, you know, I know a lot of students my age are going to college now and they're leaving, or some people are staying at home, but just for anyone, if you are staying at home or you're gonna be at home, you can just, you know, obviously do cleaning if you haven't already, and you can sell things on apps like Mercari and Poshmark. You've probably heard of Poshmark before, so I'm gonna talk about Mercari. I personally, no hate to Poshmark, but I personally like Mercari more. The app just kind of works better, and personally I like it better, and I feel like there are more things, more variety of things to sell on there, and also the shipping rates on Mercari are a lot better. Like, they go by the weight of each item. I think for Poshmark it's like the same standard rate, which is kind of annoying, especially when the item is like really cheap or light or small. And then also it's easy to talk to people on Mercari. I don't know, I just find it easier. But yeah, if you want to sign up, I have all the information down in the description box below. Next thing is to shop online. You've probably heard of Honey. It's kind of like a rewards rebate website, and you've probably seen a lot of people talk about it as well. It's easy to add as an extension, and you know, you can save money just by one click. That's how they say it. But another one I wanted to share actually is called Ibotta. Now, I personally like Ibotta better. Again, no hate to the other competitor. I don't know if they're competitors. Ibotta is a cash back rewards app that I use to get money back from, you know, doing grocery shopping or just going anywhere. You can shop for groceries, online purchases, and more. So there are a bunch of retailers that Ibotta works with, and I love that there are so many restaurants and shops. So you can actually pay through Ibotta, through like Sephora, Starbucks, Walmart, and you can get like percentage back for it. Basically, what you do is you click on a shop, and then you put in, like here for example, I have Sephora. You click over here, purchase a gift card through them, you see the final price, and then you purchase a gift card, and then once you use the gift card, you'll get money back through the app. Okay, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'll link it below in the description as well, and you can check it out. But I highly recommend you sign up, because this is one of the best rebate apps back, especially if you do shopping, especially if in person as well. Like, if you think Honey doesn't really work because you're not shopping online that much, or just like, for example, groceries, I would totally use Ibotta. Ibotta also has rebates for like certain categories like grocery and stuff, and then you can find certain items and get more money back for those items. I guess the company kind of works with Ibotta to promote their stuff, to like make more sales, I guess. But yeah, totally recommend this app, and I personally think you can get so much more money back than Honey, so definitely check it out. The next thing you can do is to use your receipts. Now, if you buy things in person, you know, most of us do get receipts. I think some stores are slowly like asking you, oh, do you want your receipt or not? But if you have receipts from before, or you do get receipts, you can use apps such as Fetch Rewards to turn your grocery receipts into gift cards. It's super easy, and all you have to do is just scan your receipt, and you can get points back for certain items. Oh wow, there's a BTS Time magazine. Anyway, so once you have all these points from your receipts, it depends on, you know, I think how much you spend, and also if there's a certain item that you bought, you can also get points back. But basically, you can get these points and, you know, get things such as magazines. You can also use your points to enter like raffles to win money, I believe. Yeah, there are like sweepstakes where you can put in your entries to win money. Yeah. super easy and it's kind of fun. So another thing that you can do is actually shop and make deliveries for other people. I signed up for Instacart and DoorDash and Postmates, and I've tried all of them. I personally like DoorDash the best because I guess it's less work. I mean, Instacart and DoorDash are two different things. You know, one is like you pick up food and you just deliver it. The other one, you shop for other people's groceries. So over here I have the Instacart card, and I don't really use it that often. I mainly just use the physical card. I use my Apple Pay on my phone. You shop for people's groceries and then it adjusts the price and everything through the app, and then, you know, you just pay through here. I mean, I don't want to go into it that much. Again, I don't want to make this video too long. But this one is for DoorDash, and actually DoorDash also sends you a bag that you can use to put the food in, and then you can go and deliver it to people. For like 2 weeks I did Instacart, and then for 2 weeks I did DoorDash, and again, I find DoorDash a lot more fun. I guess it's just easier, and I personally feel like you can make more money through that in a way, as in like, I guess they give you more tip. I personally find that people through DoorDash give more tip, and the base price through DoorDash is quite low, but if you work through peak hours and also tip, it adds up to quite a lot. So definitely recommend. And if you do want to sign up, you should use my code below. You can get a bonus if you sign up using my code. Next thing is to give out referral codes. These kind of things, you do not need to be an influencer. I'll just list a few of them, and then if you want to check it out, you can check the description box as well. But Airbnb, you have to be over 18. But that is one of them. Another one is Glossier. Your friends will get $10, and then you will get $10 for yourself as well. So that's a plus. And then another one is Yes Style. Again, you don't need to be an influencer. You can do friend referrals, or if you do have kind of the social media following, or you do like doing social media, you can try to sign up for their influencer as well. And I believe you do get more percentage or points back. But yeah, that's another one. And I'll just list the rest of those in the description box below. Okay, next thing is to become an English teacher. Basically, there are websites that you can, you know, teach English, and you can make money through that. Let me just say, the point of this is not just to make money. It's something, you know, don't just teach English if you want to make money. You know, there are other ways of making money. If you want to teach, also have experience, maybe add something to your resume, then I would totally recommend you, you know, checking that out. And I'll put a few of those websites in the description box as well that I've found. Another thing is to make art, sell on Etsy or Redbubble. I think like 2 weeks ago, I kept on seeing people post about making stickers and selling stickers, but you know, I'm not an artist. I do have an iPad Pro, so I do use Skillshare to kind of just like learn how to use Procreate. If you're a skilled artist, or even just like doodling or drawing, you should definitely try making stickers. If you like want to print it out, have your own printer and ship it yourself and that sort of thing, you can use Etsy. If you just want to upload designs and, you know, don't really want to deal with the shipping process or like printing, definitely use Redbubble. Except, just letting you know, Redbubble does take a portion of your profit money, so you don't really make that much. But I have made, I think, like $20 over the past 2 years. I mean, I haven't uploaded designs in really long. That's another thing you can do on the same category of as that, is to make your own small business. Again, I've also seen a lot of people on TikTok sharing their small business, and you know, TikTok is definitely one of like the best marketing strategies, so if you do, you should try promoting on there. I'll link one of my friends' small business. She makes tie-dye shirts and pants. I think they're really cute, so definitely check her out in the description box below. You could see her example in making a small business. The next thing is to do surveys. This is not really a consistent way or like profitable way of making money. I think I've seen some people do, but this is just like a really small thing. I believe if you're under 18, yeah, you can do these kind of surveys. One of them that I've seen that actually kind of work well is Survey Junkie on the App Store, and yeah, that is just one thing you can look at. Next thing is to make a YouTube channel. Now, I'm not really making money, so this is definitely a long-term thing. Like, you definitely have to work for it. Although, you know, making money through YouTube would be very nice. I'm kind of just doing it because I enjoy making videos, and it's something that, you know, I like to share my experience in travels and things like this, I guess, to people on YouTube. So if you want to, you can definitely make a YouTube channel. I mean, a lot of people, I think, during quarantine have started YouTube channels because, you know, you're at home. What else are you gonna do, right? But when I signed up, I used this website called TubeBuddy, and I'll link their website in the description box as well. They help you like organize your YouTube, or just they help you along the way, which is really nice. So yeah, definitely check that out. And the last thing is to obviously get an actual job. I've had like an actual job, and it was at Panda Express. I worked last year for about 8 months, and then I quit because I switched to babysitting. So babysitting is another thing. Babysitting I found easier because I like working with kids, but at the same time, you know, you have to keep that in mind. You're responsible for these kids, you know, you have to take care of them, and you can't just slack around. Like, you gotta watch them, and you know, you have to learn how to connect with them as well.
So here I'm actually including a bonus, so number 12, but I'm assuming that some of you guys are 18-year-olds or college students watching my video, and I recommend you checking out Discover's student credit card if you haven't yet. There are a lot of perks to this card, and it's great for students, especially to build your credit, which is mainly why I got it. Also, if you use my referral link, which I will put in the description box below, you can get 50 bucks. Definitely really recommend.
I hope these tips or ways to make money is helpful to you. I've definitely seen like some videos or just like some TikToks of people mentioning that, but I haven't seen, you know, a lot of things that I mentioned. So I hope that the things that I explained were very helpful, and if they are, or you're gonna sign up, let me know in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!